we are going to discuss about. So if we are talking about the ecology, so ecology is a study of interaction between the organism and their environment. So if I'm not taking more time, we can say that managing natural resources and promoting environmental health is the ecology. Ecology means we have natural resources, either petroleum, either water, either air, and anything else. And we just maintain the particular environment health through which our next generation can survive easily. And sustainability involves meeting present needs without compromising future generations' ability to meet the. It balances economic, social, and environmental factor, emphasizing renewable resources, resource efficiency, and sustainable development. As we can understand sustainability in terms of, or you can say it's a type of sustainability in which environmental sustainability, social sustainability, resource sustainability, or other sustainability, etc., are available. But we are here to know about the ecological projects as the theme of this conference defines. So sustainable and ecological projects are designed to promote environmental stewardship, resource conservation. It means what kind of resource we have. We have air, we have water, we have other natural resources, we have gases and all. How we can conserve and how the particular social responsibilities we have to take. Just because of we human always lives in the society, and we need to maintain our socialism and social responsibility that other people can survive. Other, as you know, the best creation of the creator is human being, and it's our responsibility that we have to maintain entire environmental things and this a particular balance with the social responsibilities and in the society. So these projects always we aim to achieve balance between meeting the current need and preserving the environmental for the future generation. As in the beginning, the first lecture, Professor I was there, then Professor Dr. Vinay Rishiwal sir already told that how a particular human being just having some specific thing started from the particular scratch, and now we are in the technological world, and we have different things, different technology, and day by day we are changing. But the changing environment, changing technology always have some issues with us. So if we are going to develop, are planning that our project should be sustainable and ecological based on some key characteristics are there. That is environmental protection. Always remember, whenever any organization, any company, or any industry just going to launch, or they are just having some impact in the particular society or the particular world or country, then reducing pollution. First of all, for example, solar farm generation, clean energy. As you can see, natural resources are limited, but we have solar energy. So environmental protection always be can be taken care that if we are using a particular solar farm generation, solar energy, it is available, reducing foil, fossil fuels reliance and greenhouse gas emissions. So recycling is the particular process that we can do. Social responsibility that, as I already discussed, projects consider community well-being and stakeholder involvement. For example, the aim to improve local health and educational through community participation and engagement in decision making process. And I'm really thankful to the particular organizing committee of this conference that they think that particular project should be ecological or sustainable, just because it's not the beginning. As we can understand in the in Rio de Janeiro, the first Earth Summit was there, in which we already the particular country, 154 country contributed the how we can save the environment, and the process is started from the beginning, and now we are in this era that we have to save. As you can see, global warming, as we can see day by day, the particular you can say the heating process, or you can say the particular things are not balanced much, as well as population is one of the reason in India that we can say the particular population is not a, a particular problem that we have to face and we have to work on it. But other things also impact. So other key characteristic is the economic feasibility. So sustainability projects aim to be profitable long term. Just because if you are launching any project, it should be long term thinking. It should be goes to continuity, that we can understand that particular job, stimulating local economics, renewable energy projects. So we can plan that we have a particular area, that energy plant projects we can wind farms, generate a local employment and sustainable economic growth. Just because of these types of particular projects, always be ecological projects, that we can not create any problem to the environment, to other species of the world. Resource efficiency, as we know, the resource use of water, energy, and materials is prioritized. Rainwater harvesting we can do. Another project that and many of the country in the India, especially in India, we have this particular plan that if we are making any building, we are making any college or industry, the particular harvesting system should be there in the building, that reduced water can be again will be a sustainable resource for the management. And then climate change mitigation. Projects aim to reduce greenhouse gas. As you can understand, greenhouse effect, it means overheating of the earth with the particular covering by the gases. Different gases are there, and CO2 play a major role in it. So how we can reduce it, how we can do the things. The particular plantation is not a particular one approach through which we can reduce it. We need to work in different areas. As we can see, smart vehicle, we can use electric vehicle. That is initiative always be decrease the particular fossil fuels and lowering carbon footprints and mitigating climate change efforts. As you can see, as per the particular study, we can see 2.71 hectare per person is available, the footprints in the particular world, which is very minimum, and the particular problems always be there. So this table is giving the particular uh, thing, a particular view that renewable energy uses over the year. I have taken three different companies, just because of three companies are market leader in the cloud. Just because of I already told how we can save these things, how we can make the ecological projects with the uses of particular cloud technology, cloud computing. So AWS cloud, Google Cloud Platform, or Microsoft Azure. We have three major player in the industry, and the carbon emission reduction over the year. So this right hand table gives you a clear idea that how the particular carbon emissions reducing over the year, and how the renewable energy uses over the year. So from starting from the 2018, we can see AWS is over the world. The particular companies, the global companies are there. So 50% renewable energy they use is in 18. While in 19, you can see 50, 60%, 20, it is 65. Every year you can say a particular ratio of increasing the things we have. So renewable energy they are using, and you will get shocked that Google always use the particular renewable energy, solar energy. All the data centers of Google work with, they always operated with the solar energy only. So now the particular platforms are available, those are running their data centers in all the world, and they are using solar energy. And then same Microsoft Azure, starting from the 60% the renewable energy and up to now it is in 95. So all the companies, they have some different targets that up to this year they will completely called eco-friendly companies, or they have some ecological projects they are running. And if we are talking about the carbon emissions, same, that carbon emissions reduction 10%, 20%, it means now the particular reduction of in 2023, 60% they reduced from the beginning, 70%, 65% as well. So these graphs also are there. So you can understand this particular graph. It means the particular blue one shows the Google Cloud energy uses, and Microsoft Azure renewable energy. You can see every time the particular renewable energy uses over the year. So cloud is the winner, and the particular Google always, as I told, they have their own data center, but the particular data center running with not any kind of fossil fuel, it is running by the solar energy. And energy again, it's a renewable energy. Now the project can run easily. As you can see here, the carbon emission reduction Google and the particular carbon emission reduction Microsoft Azure. Again, you can see the particular graph. Now, if needs, we are talking about the needs, the sustainable project, you can see. So efficient resource use, that is minimizing waste and conserve water, energy and material. To do these things, we need the particular sustainable projects. Pollution reduction, we need to do. Biodiversity protection, sorry, and community involvement. Engage local community in planning and decision, that we can understand that what is the particular eco-friendly and ecology are there. And then if we are talking about the renewable energy, as I told, adopt sustainable energy source like a solar and wind. Both are the particular things that we can use. Even then water also we can use it, just because of particular water can be used to create energy. And then economic viability, that ensure financial sustainability and create jobs. Innovation and technology also we can use in better efficient manner. And then we can use this, and the particular need of this project is education and awareness. Raise awareness about the sustainability, it is the and long-term planning, as we already discussed. So if we are talking about the role of the sustainable projects are, that is energy efficiency and carbon reduction, we already understand. Scalability and flexibility, data management and analytics, collaboration and accessibility, disaster recovery, and innovation and development. So these are the role of cloud. We are talking about cloud just because of, as you know, everything nowadays we are just going to store over the cloud, and the data always is stored in the cloud. But cloud cannot store the data if the particular data center server farm are not active. So we need to store some specific information over there, and we can retrieve this information at any place, at any time, at anywhere. What is the meaning? So if we are talking about the particular first point is the energy efficiency and carbon reduction. So cloud provide users advanced data centers. As I told, not data center, these are the advanced data center with efficient cooling and power management. For example, Google data center use renewable energy, as we already discussed in the last slide, and then particular scalability and flexibility. So in ancient times, we are talking about if we want to set up a particular project or company or industry, we need to take and hire all the things over there, either power, either manpower, either particular things, either machinery and all. But scalability and flexibility is the feature of cloud. That whatever you require, you just need to pay for that and you can utilize that thing. So unnecessary wastage will be saved. And we're talking the data management and analytics, as cloud platform provide powerful tools for big data analytics through which we can easily identify where we are, how our data, just because of data is everything. If we have data, then we can easily plan for the upcoming year. The Google Cloud BigQuery enables real-time analysis of large data sets, real-time crucial of monitoring and managing environmental metrics effectively. Then, if we are talking about the collaboration and accessibility, so collaboration always be there, and the lots of tools are available that enable global collaboration. For example, we can take platform like Microsoft Team. We are delivering this lecture, and then you can see the particular together seamlessly reducing travel need and associated of carbon. For example, if I am from Poland only, I'm far away 100 kilometers from your from the particular university, so I need to come and go with the particular car and all. So we particular travel needs some, always you know that associated with the carbon. So it save the things. It means if we are using the cloud, so we can save most of the things. We can save the environment as well. And then disaster recovery and reliance, so lots of tools are available. Cloud robust backup is there, data recovery is there, so there is no need to do, no need to worry. If your data, you lost your data or you lost but the things, you can easily retrieve from the cloud. Then if we are talking about the innovation and development, so you can see that cloud support the creation of new application. It means there's no need to set up a different lab and other things, that we can start from itself. The cloud provides all the things. So Azure provide all kinds of platform, will provide all kinds of platform. Azure, AWS also provide all kinds of platform that you can create your application. So there is no need to set up in the company that can fund the energy, create the carbon, create the heat. And the initiative that is taken by the industry, you can see Google environmental initiatives. So Google took the initiative that is Flood Hub, that launched to help local governments and aid organizations predict riverine floods up to 7 days in advance using AI. They are using AI, and a particular AI predict before 7 days that a particular flood can come and it be alarm from them. So it's again a sustainable things that the particular companies can have and they can survive easily. Carbon free energy goal. Again, Google has been matched 100% of its annual global electricity uses renewable energy purchase since 2017, as we already discussed the table. The company is working towards operating 24 into 7 carbon free energy across its data center and campuses by 2030. So they told up to 2030, we just book and block all the things at the time. Up to 2030, we will be fixed it. And same thing, Amazon is not the second player. That again, Amazon has a particular climate pledge, that is 2021 and 22. Amazon co-founded this initiative to achieve net zero carbon emission. Again, the particular big companies, these are the cloud-based company, and they told that up to 2040 we will be carbon free, carbon emission free company. Then we can use electricity and all the things we use particular metrics to make facilities more sustainable. CropX collaboration, again, the AWX support CropX in using IoT sensors, as Professor Rishiwal already discussed about the IoT more in a particular farming. To monitor the soil condition, which helps farmers reduce water, fertilizing, all the conditions of the crops they can easily analyze. And Xylem serverless data like AWS enables Xylem to manage wastewater, and energy needs to efficient using a serverless data lake, driving innovation in water and conservation technologies. We are going, that is McKinsey, a digital twin technology. That particular technology, again, it's a IoT based technology, and IoT sensors are there that can optimize the efficiency of physical assets, leading to a reduction in the energy consumption and emissions by approximately 10%. So if we are using, so we can reduce 10% of particular emissions. And that again, Google sustainability progress. This is a particular thing, that AI for sustainability. So Google applied AI. Now we know this is the era of AI and machine learning. So AI is to optimize operations and reduce energy, uses the emissions from data centers by making sustainable choices more accessible to users. Through its core product, Google helped over 1 billion users make environmental friendly decisions. And the key steps to consider, we have to take that current infrastructure, evaluate existing IT infrastructure. First of all, what are the considerations we need to take? That asset current infrastructure. If we are planning that we have a ecological or sustainable project, we need to evaluate our existing infrastructure, what we have in the company, and then understand the current energy consumption, and we just know the carbon footprint to establish these things. And then key steps to consideration, that is again one more than the define sustainability goal. This is very, very important, that we need to define our sustainable goal, that what sustainability we need. As you can see in the particular diagram, that what kind of sustainability, 17 types of sustainability we can see here, but you can just set clear sustainable objective for the cloud migration. These might include reducing energy use, minimizing carbon emissions, and improving resource efficiency. Next is choose the right cloud provider. This is the big question, very big question, that we are not able to choose that which cloud provider is good for us. So it's always depend on the size and nature of your business or project. What kind of project you are going to run, what is the size of the company, what size of particular project, then only we can hire. So it is a big decision that we have to take initially, that which cloud provider is best for you. For example, if you are more and more thinking about the particular environment, we can go with the Google, just because Google never generate uh, carbon emission. So it's your choice, whatever you, again, it's a property of your business. What kind of business? Then as plan to migration process. Now, again, if we are talking about develop a detailed migration plan, including timelines, resource allocation, risk management is a big thing, that what are the risks will be there when we are migrating to the cloud, and so the plan align with your sustainability goal and including steps to minimize disruption. Just because of whenever you set up to the company, you set up to the particular plan and you migrate, then always think that it will be a particular thing that we cannot change the service provider every time. Then the next point is implement green architecture. There is a separate branch of green computing. That particular green computing, it means we are saving a particular greenery, we are saving ecosystem and all. So design cloud architecture that optimize energy efficiency, use serverless computing, auto scaling, efficient data storage, solution to reduce resource consumption and all. And then again, we need to monitor and optimize uses. First of all, if we have a particular different category of cloud service providers, CSP, then we have to measure which features are matched with us and which is optimized for us, and then monitor that the particular thing is going to be done in a smooth way. Then continuously monitor cloud resource usage and optimize to efficiency. Utilize tools provided to the cloud vendors to track energy consumption. Always remember, we are talking about the energy consumption. Leverage renewable energy if possible. Choose data centers powered by renewable energy. As I told, that data center that is not using electricity, they are running with the renewable energy. Always remember, we have to choose either, as you can see in the diagram, that is renewable energy, it's solar energy, or you can say the particular air we can use. Then educate and train staff. Again, it's important that we have to train our staff, we have to train, educate all the peoples, all the personnel, that they know what is the sustainability and what is the ecological system. For cloud computing, provide them to best practice, that how they can save the energy, how they can save the particular environment. And then engage stakeholders. Always remember, we need to engage all stakeholders with us, that this they can understand, and then evaluate report progress. Always remember, we need to make a report the last time how much energy we already consumed, which is renewable, which is not renewable, and then next year what is the status, are we are going to use the particular energy in the form of renewable or non-renewable. That is the thing we have to identify, we have to evaluate. Then only we can say, as we can see the particular data of Google, we can see the data of Amazon and Azure is available there on their website, and they already shown that yes, we are particular user, that we are not using the energy that cannot be non-renewable. So energy efficient and reduce carbon footprints. Again, that you can see that cloud providers uses advanced data centers, as we discuss, designed to maximum efficiency, reducing overall energy consumptions and all. And then renewable energy. Again, many cloud providers power their data centers with renewable energy. So again, this is a key feature, that footprints always save our environment from different gases. And as you can see, CO2 has a minor portion in the environment, but it creates a huge problem for us. Then impact of migrating to cloud to enhance data management analytics. It's real-time monitoring we can do, feature big data capabilities we have. So we have, I think, not much time. I already crossed the limit. So it's a, I think, 2 3 slide more we have, then we can just wind up. So impact of migrating to the cloud and ecological, that disaster recovery. Can any kind of disaster is there, so our data can be easily retrievable. There's no need to do again a rework, then create a particular impact on the environment. And then transparency and accountability. So transparency and accountability always work, that sustainability report should be generated, it should be transparent, and if the particular problem arises over there, your regulatory compliance should be there, accountability of the firm always be. And then again, the security always be big issue and big concern that particular people should have.
Professor, please, we have to go to the end, please.
Okay, sir, it's the last slide.
Let's go further. Let's go further. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I am very surprised because we have meaning that in India there is a lot of smog, and I know China make a lot of solutions right now, ecological invention solutions. And now you was really surprised me because there was a student also who was waiting for you. He was hearing you, and he explained me that in India right now you made a lot of inventions for ecological solutions. And he told me he want to make a presentation for my lectures, probably because he was inspired. He was inspired today by you also. He came exactly for you because I told him that will be professor from India, so he checked. He was waiting whole day,
Okay.
and now he left because he have to. But I think he was really surprised. So was I, and also Professor Juchelski. He's with me. As you can see, he told me that he's also surprised that you make a lot of inventions. I am not IT specialist because I have my own inventions, 30 inventions I have with 30 patents. Sorry, two inventions with 30 patents. With intermodal transport wagon, yes, I am specialist with intermodal transport in transport industry. But I really appreciate this, what you made for us. And I know this is the future. The cloud is the future. Yes, and we will see how it's going now. The further for AI compatibility with machines. Yes, because now everything is in cloud we use. But the question is, how will we use AI now with compatibility with machines? Of course, we are scared, but I think. This day come true, yes, that we will see how machines work with AI and how this can help us, because I think machines are not so scary than people to people. So this is one thing what doesn't scare me off from machines. Thank you very much. I appreciate your big presentation, and I will be glad if you could send your presentation to Kumar,
Sure, sure, sure.
because we will make a book after this conference, and I will give you more information next week, because we are making a lot of materials to make articles from this conference, because uh, I could say the material is big from this conference, so it will be pity to put this all on the left. So I decide this time I am making a book from our university. So we send you all the information. You will send a presentation to us. So we make an article. And also, I think when we make a book, we also will send to the India. So
Oh,
don't
sure.
worry.
Great, sir. Great. This is great news for us. Thank you.
Yeah, this is this information to all the guests here.
Okay, sure.
And also the next week I will give you information about the certificate of appearance. Is also will be sent before book, of course. So
Okay.
don't worry. Thank you very
Okay.
much. And now we have two more guests, but because we finished now sector IT and cybersecurity, I mentioned to come back to one sector before. Now I want to announce Mykola Typuta and Vitali Kuzniecow.